my name's Leah, and I want to show you everything I'm packing with me for my study and internship abroad semester in London with FIE. To start off, I think it's worth mentioning that I'll be packing as much as I possibly can in this large suitcase, and then bringing a practically empty, smaller suitcase for stuff that I bring back. First up, outerwear. Because I'll be in Kensington from September to December, I know that I can expect cold and sometimes rainy weather in those months. For that reason, I'll be bringing a long trench coat that's definitely giving me fall vibes, as well as a leather jacket, which is a classic staple when it comes to staying warm and looking put together. For my internship, I'll also be bringing this simple black blazer. I was looking for a raincoat to buy before heading to the UK, but I ultimately decided on waiting until I get there to see what the locals are wearing for some more inspiration. I'm trying really hard to keep in mind that I will definitely be shopping while abroad. Next up, tops. I'm bringing a few pieces that can be good for function and layering. For example, these two tank tops go great under these baby doll sweaters if I wanted to make them more work appropriate. And they go well under the blazer. This white blouse can also go under the blazer or be a going out top. Choosing your most versatile pieces of clothing means less in the suitcase. I'm also bringing some plain black long sleeve shirts for layering if it gets really cold or if I go on a weekend trip to somewhere colder than London. I'm only bringing one t-shirt to sleep in because let's face it, I'm really going to end up buying more t-shirts whether I like it or not. Lastly, I'll be bringing my favorite long sleeve shirt for fall temperatures, one crewneck sweater, one hoodie, and one more going out top. Also, don't forget your undergarments. Personally, in my wardrobe, the thing that really decides whether an outfit is fancy or casual are the bottoms, which is why I feel like I can justify bringing quite a few. I'll be bringing my favorite baggy jeans that feel like sweats, 2 pairs of flare jeans, 2 pairs of trousers for going out or business wear, 1 maxi skirt, 1 mini skirt paired with thermal tights, and my favorite sweatpants. To be honest, I was really struggling with what shoes to bring, but I've decided it's back to basics for me. My most broken-in Doc Marten boots and the Dr. Scholl's time-off walking sneakers will be just enough for me. For accessories, I especially need to keep it to a minimum and remember that I'll be shopping while abroad. But for now, I've decided my essentials are a thicker and thinner scarf, thermal tights, an umbrella, sunglasses, the jewelry I wear the absolute most, my go-to makeup products, 1 perfume, and a small purse. To me, this purse seems perfect when it comes to pickpockets because it fits comfortably under my arm and jackets, has an extra strap to make it a crossbody, has a flap and a zipper, and is just big enough to fit the essentials, like your wallet, lip gloss, lip balm, and phone. The rest of the stuff that I'm bringing includes my skincare, a water bottle, my digital camera, my Kindle, this charging block that fits most European outlets, my everyday hair tools and products, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and my laptop. Don't forget the chargers for all of your electronics. And don't panic if you don't have some of the simple things yet. You'll be able to find everything you need in London. The only decor that I'm bringing for my room is this easily packable sunset lamp so that I have an alternative to the big light. Be sure to check out FIE's Arrival Frequently Asked Questions page for more information on what to bring and what not to bring. Happy packing and safe travels!